What's up, Python coders?
Welcome back to Made for channel. So from today onwards, I am going to start a series of tutorials where we will learn to create a very basic snake game. Series is for beginners and for ones who like coding games. And for the coding purpose, I will be using Python and the Turtle module for the graphics purposes. And the reason why I am using Turtle module is that it is very simple and basics and will be good for the beginners to start coding and have an idea what to do with games and how to set graphics. So after watching this, you will be able to create such simple games like dual player ping pong and some other games as well, like Pac-Man, which is a bit complex, but we'll leave that for afterwards. So, and will be good for them to start with some complex games using pygame module. And here is one good news, which is that I will be sharing source code of dual player ping pong in parts, so that after the completion of series you will be able to combine them and use it to run the complete code of ping pong player dual player. If you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification purpose, or else just like my videos. Welcome guys, now let's start our coding part. So first of all, we need to import our turtle module. So just type in import turtle. This will import the turtle module by itself. So now let's set up our screen for the game. So hashtag setting up screen. I'm sorry for the noise in background, those are my nephew and niece fighting. I don't know, maybe for TV. So setting up screen, and just create an object w1. You can create anything you like, but I'm creating w1, which is short for window, which is more meaningful. Turtle dot screen, and ensure that your turtle starts with small t, because Python is very specific about its capitalization and we don't want to mess that up. And change the background wn.bg color. We will call up every function of the window by wn bg color, and I'm going to change it to light green as you have seen earlier. Light green, you can set any color you choose. Even you can set bg color. You can look up the color values on Google or any browser you choose you prefer. I am not promoting anything, just want to make that clear. So just type in wn and just set up, which will be the setting up the width and height of the window. So I'm going to width, I'm writing 620, and height equals to 680. So now let's go w1.tracer, type in 0. What this line will do, it will stop any screen animations and will stop the screen from updating as we write the code. Now if we will run this code, you will see the screen appears for a very short amount of time, and to make it stop for a permanent and make it visible for the duration we want, we need to create a loop. It will be for the window, which is wn, and we'll call it main loop function, main loop. And now if we'll run it, you'll be able to see the window and control it. It will close only when you will choose to close it. So there is one thing I would like to add. I would like to change the turtle screen dot screen, sorry, title. I want to change the title of the screen, window title, and I'm going to set that up as snake game. So now let's run it, and you'll see the title snake game. Earlier it was showing turtle graphics, something like that. So now the rest of the part of the code will come within these lines, within these two lines. Everything will come within these two lines, whatever we'll have to write. So that is it for this part, and the next part we will start by creating the head and controlling it with the keyboard. So thank you for watching, and please support my channel and help me grow this channel. Thank you.